it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Chronic Law again. Law Boss with M24. Urban Gurillaz. Yeah, M24 from South London. Big up yourself, bro. Drill artist, bad artist. Featuring Eastern Ent. So that's how I name Top Bwoy, not Boy. Top Bwoy. You see me? So we're gonna jump in the one on here with Law Boss and M24. I have to say Urban Gurillaz and Eastern Ent. Let's go! Urban Gurillaz up to
Hello, where you say Brixton? Yeah man, everything good over Urban Gorilla man. Full of gangster shit. It's like a movie.
One law, one link, you know it tingo. Brixton to St. Thomas, Bordeaux.
see Brixton them come from no man.
Mountain View, Backbush.
Yo, yeah, killing them smart, killing them smooth. I'm a gun belly big like me give them food. Yo, kill them now. No give me excuse and make them girlfriend give me them nude. Yeah.
Pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
We not gonna just do all of that shit and feel something not gonna pull it up and start again. We not gonna do all of that. No, we're not gonna do it. We not do it. Brick Boss, big up yourself, my bro.
Hello, where you say Brixton?
Eastern
everything
Entertainment, big
good
up.
over Urban Gorilla man. Full of gangster shit. It's like a movie.
One law, one link, you know it tingo. Brixton to St. Thomas, Bordeaux. Big up the whole Mountain View, Backbush.
Yo, yeah, killing them smart, killing them smooth. I'm a gun belly big like me give them food. Yo.
All right, we are breaking down what Law Boss I say. Killing them smart and we kill them smooth and we gun belly big like say we eat food. In magazine matter about. Extend the clip. Drum.
Yeah, killing them smart, killing them smooth. I'm a gun belly big like me give them food. Yo, kill them now. No give me excuse and make them girlfriend give me them nude.
Kill them no. No give me no excuse. Pussy half it dead. Guess what? After them dead, make them girlfriend give me blue. No, give me nudes. Yeah. Girlfriend I give me nudes. Yeah, girlfriend I send pussy peak. Girlfriend I send pussy peak.
I'm a gun belly big like me give them food.
Yeah.
Yo, kill them now. No give me excuse and make them girlfriend give
Drill.
me them nude. Yeah.
Drill badness.
Pass it with 2 clip tape up. Put
The Jacob pass it with 2 clip tape up. You know what the clip them wait, tape up, man. You know what clip them tape up, man. You know what on play Call of Duty. Alright, Call of Duty alone watch. See clip 1 yeah, see clip 2 yeah. You tape them like this. You see me? That part I go in and that part I go in. So when that part I down him just flip it around and put it. Alright, I wanna get the picture, let's go.
nude. Yeah. The Draco. Pass it with 2 clip tape up. Put more up on wall and a paintbrush. Yeah, crime scene look outrageous with a
Put marrow upon wall and a paintbrush. Crime scene look outrageous. M24. Why you your version of that?
me excuse and make them girlfriend give me them nude. Yeah. The Draco. Pass it with 2 clip tape up. Put more up on wall and a paintbrush. Yeah, crime scene look outrageous with a gun pretty like beach of Barbados. The KF.
The man compare the beauty I'm gone to a beach of Barbados to look. It is exotic. White sandy beaches. Big up Barbados.
More up on wall and a paintbrush. Yeah, crime scene look outrageous with a gun pretty like beach of Barbados. The K have good vocals like cranium. Love when crime scene look like stadium.
The K have good vocals like cranium. Cranium, big up yourself. The K have good vocals like cranium. The K sing sweet.
With a gun pretty like beach of Barbados. The K have good vocals like cranium. Love when crime scene look like stadium. Yeah. Settle and watch this.
Man, say love when crime scene look like stadium. Stadium always pack up, you know. Anytime any event I go on a stadium, it ram up, you know. Crime scene ram up. Yeah, body all both.
It's like cranium. Love when crime scene look like stadium. Yeah. Settle and watch. This is a 4-5 vehicle and catch and a be a shallow grave that me get it land from. Feel me at cold Tottenham London. Yard man, bad man, gun powder upon my skin like handband. Gonna select and I know what power and hands. Have color.
Yo, the boss a shout out some G's na the thing, bro. Man said the thing a select and a know a power and a hands, man. You know, say a two top selector that. Yo.
4-5 vehicle and catch and a be a shallow grave that me get it land from. Feel me at cold Tottenham London. Yard man, bad man, gun powder up on my skin like can ban. Gonna select and I know what I want smart. Have color gun and cellophane man. Top boy, man gonna select and I know what I want smart. Have color gun and cellophane man.
Man say have color gun ask elephant man. Shizzle, yes I shoot. Shizzle.
Powder up on my skin like can ban. Gonna select and I know what I want smart. Have color gun and cellophane man. Top boy, anywhere we shot boy, love with dog. They be nearly got like. Love the wildlife, kill people and go the 9-9 to a beat, blade stuck in 9 yeah. Top boy, top boy like solid them, but we not pretend.
Top boy like solid them, bad and we not pretend. If you know what I know, man. If you know what I know.
Top boy like solid them, but we not pretend. Who claim them a killer and love you dead? Me dog from Northland and go for them now.
My shooters vulnerable.
My dog from Northland, Northland come from. Southland come from.
But we not pretend. Who claim them a killer
Oh, me get them a say.
me dog from Northland and go for them now.
So him a tell you say him dog, him link from Northland and I go for them. Anyway, not London, Tottenham side. You see me? Enfield side, them side there. Anyway, from them side there, dog go for them. Maybe you were M24
like solid them, but we not pretend. Who claim them a killer and love you dead? Me dog from Northland and go for them now.
My shooter's vulnerable with me and he's loose. All I gotta tell him is shoot.
Now say him shooter roll with them and him shooter loose. All them have to tell him shooter just shoot. A majority of the time, him shooter I go younger than him. So the shooter I go look up to him as the G and no say, yo, he's my younger. Go on bust his head, bro. Go on yo.
From Northland and go for them now.
My shooter's vulnerable with me and he's loose. All I gotta tell him is shoot. I ain't gotta doubt him, I know that he's scoring. That's a real clinical you.
Him say him not fit doubt him, brother. Him know say one time him aim to the target, him not miss, brother. Him shooter critical. Yeah.
All I gotta tell him is shoot. Boom. I ain't gotta doubt him, I know that he's scoring. That's a real clinical you. Broski died and I'm hurting. Yes. I'm in the miserable mood. I got hitters in the countryside and I got drillers in Tivoli too.
So I say him brethren dead and it hurt him. It hurt him, you see me? Him a tell us say yo, him have hitters in the countryside. Let me explain the countryside something they don't know. When a London man say country, when a London man say country, it mean anyway out of London a country for them. Anyway outside of London a country for them. So him a tell us say yo, him have hitters in a countryside at the outer London and then him reverse it back and tell us say him have hitters in a Tivoli too. You see me? So him a refer to both countries right there so.
I'm in the miserable mood. I got hitters in the countryside and I got drillers in Tivoli too. Most of them boys gotta go, we ain't waiting on karma to do it. None for the ops to the shave, I ain't calling my barber to do it. Still outside of the trenches. Trust me, it's more than music. Something got around there. They know it was us, but they just can't prove it.
Just something got around there, so. Them know it is us, man. Them know see how we do it. Them know see how our ends. The fuck we come off at, but them just can't prove it. No evidence on there, so. So it now go stand in a court. Yeah? Yeah, that's how the G I tell you. Yo.
None for the ops to the shave, I ain't calling my barber to do it. Still outside of the trenches. Trust me, it's more than music. Something got around there. They know it was us, but they just can't prove it. This G19 got a bark. This rifle sound like a train. They just can't prove it. This G19 got a bark. This rifle sound like a train.
The man said, think when my boss have a bark, brother. The rifle sound like a train.
Us, but they just can't prove it. This G19 got a bark. This rifle sound like a train. Anything in bricks that's fatal. The GBGs get the blame. She came and I saw how I live. She was shocked when I told her my age. The G's then pulled up, hopped out the car and that nigga got shot in his face. Same way.
The G, the ramp in the English, you never the dog.
I got my hands on this rappers the same. The GBGs get the blame. She came and I saw how I live. She was shocked when I told her my age. The G's then pulled up, hopped out the car and that nigga got shot in his face. Same way I got my hands on this rappers the same way my hands on my back.
See, alright. Same way I'm explaining this for the Jamaican G them I don't know what M24 talk about. You must say, yo, the same way him have him hand pan the Glock, or the same way him have him hand pan her back, pan her body. I grab up her, you know? Yeah, a girt her, yeah. Me and the man, me and M24. Hey, yeah, turn one. Take a slap up your body. Yeah, them things them talk about. Yeah, see, the comparisons.
She came and I saw how I live. She was shocked when I told her my age. The G's then pulled up, hopped out the car and that nigga got shot in his face. Same way I got my hands on this rappers, the same way my hands on my back. Notification whenever they slap, can't really tryna find where they at. First location, straight to the rack. Second location, straight to the hill. And we don't go Canada no more, cause we crossed that block off the map.
Anywhere we shot, boy, love it dog. They be nearly got like top boy, top boy. Top boy like Sully them, but we no pretend. Who claim them a killer and love you dead? Me dog from now London, go for them no.
Yo, make them know Eastern Entertainment.
Top boy. Love when crime scene look like stadium.
Alright. Here we go now. Let me just say this. I like how the G them a link. You see me? Internationally. Currently, big up yourself. You see me? A drill badness man. Yo, for those who know M24 is not a normal which you play it in the streets. You see me? Yeah. M24 really is about that life, dog. So when I hear him sing them thing there, it's about that life, bro. You see me? So Labas, you fuck up a beat, dog. You fuck you up, me G. Yo, we can't tell you lie, bro. You fuck up the beat, bro. Big up yourself, dog. Yo, big up yourself, bro. M24, big up yourself, dog. You see me? Top Bwoy. They say the Urban Gurillaz. Big up. Eastern End. Big up. Yeah. So I'm going to leave the one I still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more from G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. I'll leave it right here. I'll leave it in the next one. See it. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.